Hello, and welcome to this July bullet journal, where I endeavor to keep things simple and keep me organized so that in this fun and crazy season of summer, I will be organized and I will be able to plan ahead and enjoy having a little bit of peace too. I have really enjoyed fitting all of my numbers for my calendar into the little squares created by these little dots on the dot matrix pages. And so I have been doing that for several months, and I will probably do it next month as well because, like I said, I've been enjoying it. I like the way it looks, and it's kind of fun and challenging to do. This month, I put an exclamation point after the word July, which is not something I would usually do. Usually it's just the month as the top heading. However, this month I needed a little bit more centering, and so I thought, what can I do? And I just added an exclamation point, and I kind of liked it on the front page, so I liked it on this page too. Now, I really like to look at a bigger picture, and so that is why I decided to put 2 weeks onto an open page spread for this month, and we will have to see if it feels like I have enough room to write in my appointments on each day of the week. I am not sure. We will find out. But I'm grateful for the opportunity to be here with you and to share my calendar journey. And because it's summer in the Pacific Northwest, I'm really looking forward to a lot of outdoor activities and getting together with friends and being outside and playing in the great outdoors. This calendar should help me be able to keep my schedule together so I can do that, probably not flawlessly, but hopefully at least without any major calendaring mistakes. Speaking of mistakes, that was a funny one. Thank you for spending time together. I do appreciate you so much, and if you are interested in more videos that show bullet journals. I don't think I could ever do one the same twice because my brain always seems to be switching and going in another direction. But there's lots of bullet journals and there is quite a variety of them. And then I also do a lot of greeting cards where I make cards for occasions for the people that I care about. And maybe you can get some ideas from that. Also, lots of videos with doodles just for fun and some little craft projects too. Have a wonderful week. Take care of yourself and remember, you are loved.